Cold dew, or hanlu, is the first of the 24 solar terms to include the word cold. In northern China, it marks the transition from coolness to cold. The once noisy rainy season gives way to tranquility as mountains and rivers become clearer in the fresh autumn air. Days gradually shorten and nights grow longer with the pronounced temperature difference. As the blazing summer sun fades, everything in nature is moving into deep autumn. However, bleakness is not all that cold dew brings. The season has not yet reached true coldness, so cold dew feels like an abrupt pause, or a prepared blank space. Those brilliant times and blossoming moments have become enduring images of how life should be. Similarly fixed may be the chill, the bitterness, the obstacles, and the repeated instances of dissonance. When the finery fades and the bustle disperses, we may realize with a clear mind that brightness or darkness, fullness or emptiness are all constants of life. In truth, there are not so many irreconcilable conflicts in the world. Furthermore, the passion for life has no distinction similar to the four seasons.